Good day, campers. For today's video, I want to talk a little bit about a dome light mod that I did to my Dutchaire 12 volt RV refrigerator conversion. This is a kit that comes from Refrigeration, back east where all the RVs and stuff are built. This kit replaces the gas electric RV refrigerator cooling unit with a dual compressor 12 volt cooling unit. My system originally used NorCold's control board. After some issues with that control board, I updated it and am using their universal controller, which I understand all their newer units are now using. So it completely eliminates all the NorCold controls. It's a great unit. We've been extremely happy with it. My only complaint really is the interior light. The universal controller has a motion sensor light that quite frankly just does not work very well at all. It comes on when it wants to, which is usually seldom. So what I did was I bought some switches from Amazon. A link to those are in the description of this video that work differently from the NorCold switches. And then what I did was found the wires in the harness that power the interior fans. On a NorCold 2118, the control board turns the interior fans off and on based on whatever conditions they think are appropriate. So what I did was I found the hot and the ground coming out of the control board, going through the interior of the refrigerator up to the fans. I hardwired those into the Wago connectors. This is the positive and this is the ground, so that the fans are running all the time. The next step was to replace the switches and wire them up so that they worked when the doors opened and closed. Next, we'll move inside. A quick note here before we actually go inside. This red and black wire go into a separate 2-pin connector like these that actually plugs into the NorCold board. So when you've removed all of this harness and tie wrap things up out of the way, the connector you're looking for will just be these 2 wires into a connector all by themselves. You can verify that once things are wired up to see if the fans are actually running. Before we get inside the refrigerator, I open the doors and let all the cold air out. Let's talk about how this is actually wired up. These are the 2 switches, one for each door, and they're wired in parallel so that by opening either door, closing either switch, turns on the light. This plus, this is 12 volts that I tapped from the line coming up from the back that powers the fan. So you have 12 volts battery voltage goes to one side of both switches. The other side of the switches come and go to one side of the light. So like I said, if you close either switch, open either door, it puts battery on this side of the light. This ground is actually the ground side or the ground wire coming up from the back that powers the fan. That's fairly simple. It's just a matter of actually doing it. I did it with the refrigerator off and all the food stored, because it does take a fair amount of time. This is the wiring. Comes up from the back where I spliced into the hot. In here is where I tapped into the 12 volts coming from the battery or from the back and the ground. Then I had to drill a hole through here because I couldn't run the wires internally because of the way the refrigerator is built. There's the wires to the other switch, and then I used mounts to kind of keep it up out of the way. It's not beautiful, but nobody ever sees it. And that's the dome light mod. As always, thanks for watching, and please remember to like and subscribe.